Now raining, yes, in Cambodia, Poipet city near border Thailand. Now raining. Yes, the short rain place raining. This video maybe I take for 2-3 minutes or 4 minutes just. I hope you like this video. I speak English a little. Then yes, has she so happy. Oh, she's so happy with the raining. Yes. Wow, so strong, yes. Okay, wow, yeah. Yeah, wow, Kung Fu. Okay. Yes, wow. Yes, yeah. Wow, yeah. He's so funny, yes. Hey, yeah. He loves brother, yes. Oh, oh, I really cold. It's 6:30 p.m. Yes. Doesn't dark. Oh, clothes move, but clothes has maybe has water. I don't know how to say this. Say like this. It's wrong. Sorry. Oh, wow. Yeah, wow. This video original, I don't effect or cut or invite another program or another video at this video. Yes, the original, the sound original too. I hope you like this video. Now I will stop. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Thank you.